All right, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to put this Jackery 240D to test in a situation that it's most probably made for, charging laptops when you're away camping or whatever on a trip. It's basically a DC out generator. It doesn't have a 110 volt, but it's pretty powerful. So let's see how fast it can charge this MacBook Pro from completely dead to 100%. And here's the regular charger with the power block for the Mac that came with the Mac. But what we're going to do is just use the included handle on the Jackery 240D, and we're going to unclip this. And as you see, it doubles as a handle. And I have a my initial thoughts review on a different video that I will post a link to. But let's open up the screen here. And usually it powers on as soon as I open the screen. So I guess the battery is totally cooked. And we're going to have to keep this close because the included handle slash USB-C cord is pretty short on this Jackery. So what we're going to do is we're going to power on the Jackery. Now this should be at 100%, yep, as you can see. And we're going to put it in the... let's put it in the 100 watt output. They also got an in-out that goes to 140. Don't think that's going to take the full one. Let's go into the 100 and see how much it'll take from this. And then we're just going to plug it in the side here. This is a USB-C. And we're going to take a look at the time. And it's 10:46 a.m. and we're going to see how fast it will charge this up. Also, let's take note of the output. It's showing 57 watts here. So that is what the laptop is asking for, although this can give it a bit more. And actually, we've been plugged in for about 5 minutes. We got the Jackery 240D down to 98% already. So we'll see how this baby holds off charging this. Now let's just double check and see that we got 3% on the battery so far. So we'll keep an eye on this and see how long it takes to charge this. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is keep this charging while it's in standby mode. All right. Now it's going to charge differently when it's totally turned off, I would imagine. So we just want to get an idea of, how this would work in a most, practical situation where you're not going to just power things down totally. You're going to keep it in a standby mode. You might even be working on your computer while it's plugged into this. But in this test, we're just going to keep the lid closed and keep it in standby mode. Actually, what we'll do is just put it in sleep mode and check in. I'm going to check in every 10 minutes to see what the status is. And once we get 100%, I will check in with you guys watching this video. All right, also, I'm just going to add another tidbit. Since I had put the laptop in standby, it's drawing less power, 48 watts. And so that's going to make the charging go a little bit more efficient for the Jackery 240D. Probably won't run it down as fast, being that we're not asking for it to keep the laptop on and charge at the same time. So as you see here, we got, let me get a little closer with this. We're down to 48 watts, where I think we were around 58 watts before while it was fully on. So let's keep forging ahead. Okay, so we're checking in almost an hour later. It's 11:43, we started at 10:46. And let's see what the charger's showing, the battery. 85%, 31 watts. And this is on standby now, so let's just wake it up. And let's Let's go up to the battery indicator and 60%. About an hour later, let's get a little close up of that. So 61%. And we have the Jackery now down to 85%. And as you see, when the power's on, the output, it starts drawing a little more wattage, 43. It was up to 44 before. And so there we go. We're going to continue watching this. So we're going to wait until we get to 100% and then see how long it's going to take. So, all right, we'll check in a little bit. All right, so just checking in. It is 12:48. So about 2 hours into charging, and let's take a look at the status here. It is 100%. All right. And let's take a look at the Jackery 240D, 75%. And interestingly enough, it's still drawing 28 watts, so I imagine it's keeping the battery topped off while it's powering the laptop, but that's a whole nother thing. All right, so let's do a review on the whole situation. We had a MacBook Pro 2020 M1, completely drained battery. Plugged it into the Jackery 240D when the Jackery was at 100% capacity. It started drawing about 45 to 46 watts while it was on and charging. Then I put it on standby. It dropped to about 35, 36 watts if I remember. And about 2 hours to charge it fully. And we have 75% left on this. So if you're on the go, and you just bought one of these and you're out camping, you're somewhere where there's no electricity and you're keeping it mainly to charge your laptop, maybe a couple of phones, this is a good example of what you can expect as far as charging times. And again, we're down to 75%, so I guess that would mean this would be able to charge this laptop 4 times without charging up the Jackery around that, or charging this 1 or 2 times and having enough power to charge your iPhone, your smartphone a few times. So there you go with this test. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.